Assalamualaikum. Ana Rojina. Ana age 32. Ana Bangladeshi. Ana Muslim. Ana awal shugul Dubai itnen sana. Ana shugul Saudi Arabia itnen sana. Ana kullu shugul malum inshallah. Alhamdulillah. Ana single mother. I am single mother. I have baby for 4.
Okay, so you can cleaning, ironing, cooking, no problem.
Yes, no problem.
Baby care, old care, no problem.
No problem.
Gardening,
No problem.
car wash,
Yes,
no problem.
no problem.
Okay, can you tell some Arabic food name? কটা আরবি খাবার নাম বলুন?
Yes, I am
আরবি খাবার নাম বলুন?
Samad, Laham, Haris. Anna cooking Haris.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.